Hello everyone! Julia and little Cherry are here. Today you will learn how to draw Halloween pumpkin. Okay guys, what you will need for drawing Halloween pumpkin today? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home. We wish you a happy drawing guys, so let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, let's start drawing our pumpkin. We will be drawing it just in the center, in the middle of our paper. So I'll start drawing it from a curved line and just repeat the same one and then going even bigger and bigger. So my pumpkin will be a little bit squished and it will go down, so it's actually like an egg shape but a little bit squished. So, and now we will have to repeat these lines, trying to keep them on the same line, so you actually can help with your pencil, and if it's not perfect it's okay because it's natural. Nothing is natural perfect. So, and now let's draw a curved line going up and a curved line going down. It will be its stem, and a circle inside. And now I will draw a few lines going down, also curved one, keep them curved. And let's draw a funny face of our pumpkin. So I will draw two triangles, go up and down and connect, and another triangle. It would be eyes for our pumpkin. And now a small triangle would be its nose, and let's draw its smile. So I hope that my pumpkin is pretty kind and you can draw an angry one or cute one. So going down its tooth and up like this, then a little bit of distance, try to keep it on one level and go up, so it's a smile here. And now I will try to help myself to draw tooth down, and then I will just connect it, and the same I will be doing actually here. It's ready. And now I will have to add just a 3D shape. I will draw a line here, and I will also draw lines here repeating, so we will see this depth of the pumpkin. And now I will draw a line repeating the same pattern inside its mouth, so you see it's becoming really 3D, and then we will color it and you will see even better. And as we're drawing Halloween pumpkin today, why not to draw a small one, a baby pumpkin? So I will draw a line and bigger one here, just a cute little pumpkin, baby pumpkin. And also I will draw its stem, maybe not that big, and I will show its backside, so I will just probably repeat this line, curved, and this one, yeah, like this. And now I will draw cute face. I will draw two triangles and just two lines and a baby smile. And a line repeating it, so it's a curved one. It's so cute and adorable. And it's almost like jumping. And now I will be drawing just a spider and a web. So I will draw a line down and a line here. And actually we'll draw a few more lines going from its center down, and one more, and probably one more, trying to keep this circle. And now we will just draw in straight lines and going inside. It's easy peasy to draw a web, so you can draw as many as you wish. And probably you will decide just to make a postcard of this drawing, or maybe you will write some message here. And we also can draw a spider, or maybe you will decide to draw even many spiders. So line going down, and I'll draw a circle. It's actually a small spider, so I will draw 2 circles inside and one more, and then I will draw lines going into different directions and different lengths, so shorter and longer, so it will be a cute spider here. And you can even show that it's jumping. Why not? And now all we have to do is just to color our pumpkin. Okay guys, let's start coloring our pumpkin. So I will start from its stem, and I will go with green, but you can use actually even brown. So I will be coloring with green and shading a bit with markers. But if you are using not markers but pencils, you can also shade it and make different colors by mixing your pencils. So I will go with orange for its body, and you can leave a little bit of white just to show the slight dropping in our pumpkin, and then try to follow the shape, so it will add a little bit more volume to it when you are shading in the same direction. So no rush here, just take your time, relax. You can always stop the video and rewatch it. Don't worry if something goes wrong, you can always add some details, and it won't actually spoil your drawing. If you will add some more heroes on this drawing, maybe you will decide to draw more spiders or even more baby pumpkins. You can draw brothers and sisters, the whole family. And this is the fun of art, when you start to draw a pumpkin and then just create really the whole drawing of drawing its friends, spiders. You can draw anything that you can imagine. No limits here. So, and now I will use a bit yellow orange for the inner side, and then we will add some light inside, and it will be a miracle because our pumpkin will begin to shine brightly. So, and now I will use yellow inside, and you can see the light actually coming out from our pumpkin. And it's so adorable and cute. And my pumpkin is pretty kind, but you can draw a scary pumpkin. And now the same I will be doing for baby. I will do actually the same. And here we go, it's almost ready. And you can also add some blush here with pink, yellow, orange for the inner side, and it's orange yellow and light yellow, lemon yellow inside, and green for stem. And you can add with pencils or maybe with the markers, like cute lashes here and here, why not? And even if you'll decide to draw some lashes or maybe another pattern for your pumpkin, it would be adorable. And I'm looking forward to see your cute drawings, guys, and your cute pumpkins. And I'm just showing that our pumpkin is jumping up with this line. She's so excited that Halloween is almost here. And look, guys, how cool is our pumpkin. And actually we have two pumpkins and a spider here. And this is just an amazing Halloween drawing we have created today. Well done, guys. This is an amazing drawing. I love it so much. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed drawing Halloween pumpkin with me and Cherry. And if you enjoy our lessons, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks on my Facebook page, the link to which is below this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.